Great seeing you in class today.
All right, listen up, fishies. It's the first day of fish school. Time to learn to swim in groups. First up, the green fish. Okay, we have one green fish.
Hooray for me! Yeah, ready to swim, Coach.
Come on out, red fish. And we have 6 red fish.
Redfish reporting for duty.
How nice of you to join us.
You're welcome, Coach.
All right, 6 red fish join together with the 1 green fish. We have 7 fish. 6 added to 1 makes 7 fish altogether.
Hooray! Oh, yeah!
Now, do the front stroke, fishies. Next, I need my purple fish. Now, where's my white fish? And 1 white fish. Now, join together, fishies. There's 7 fish. 1 added to 6 makes a total of 7. Now, let's see your zigzag stroke. Next up, let's see the black fish. All right, I see 3 black fish.
We're triplets. That means there's 3 of us. 1, 2, 3.
Well, now I know you can count. So let's see if you can swim in groups. Come on out, orange fish. Holy mackerels! 6 orange fish. Together, there are 9 fish. 3 fish combined with 6 fish makes 9 fish altogether.
9, we're so fine.
We'll see about that. Let's see your backwards stroke. Next, I need my blue fish. Now, where's my brown fish? All right, blue fish and brown fish get together into one group. 6 and 3 make 9 fishies in all.
We're blue and we're brown, and you can't keep us out.
Maybe. Let's see your breast stroke. Next, I need the pink fish. There are 2 pink fish. And now, let's see the yellow fish. 7 yellow fish join the 2 pink fish. Now, there are 9 fish. 7 combined with 2 makes 9. Now, let's see your backstroke, fishies. Last but not least, let's see my silverfish. Now, where's my goldfish? All right, 7 silverfish join with the 2 goldfish. 2 and 7 make 9 altogether. Leapin' lobsters! Look at that! The gold and silverfish look like $1,000,000! Now, let's see your butterfly stroke. Great job, all my fishies! Now, let's all swim together!